This is Violet eating bananas. You like it? I think you like it. Should we have a little more? Ready? Keep it in there. Keep them in there. We're getting tired. This is the end of our banana session. Do you like them? Do you like it? See, I've been eating a whole lot. I ate almost my whole bowl. Oh no, we done with the bananas? We done with bananas? Yeah? But did you like them? Yeah? Well, let's talk to the camera and tell them what you thought of bananas. Okay, all right. Want one more bite? One more bite? Or no? What do you think? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, okay, don't cry. We're just talking about bananas. Alright. Was it yummy? Here's our spoon. We have a lot to say about bananas. We want to get down? Are we done? Yeah? Want one more bite? You gotta keep it in there. That's good. That's good. Keep them in there. Keep them in there. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum. Oh, you're eating so good. We're eating so good. Bananas and cereal. We're eating so good. Yeah. So good. That's good. Look, almost all our food's gone. Almost all gone. Ready? Yeah.